Phetha ngifuna ukusho lokho ukuthi abantu base South Africa kumele bangakukhohlwa ukuthi indaba ephalaphala yavela kanjani. Zobe ngilo ngisho lento kudala ngisho ngizoyiphinda nje. Nilalelisise lento engizoyisho la. Ukuthi indaba ephalaphala yavela kanjani. Sikukhumbuzana nje. NgoJuly 2021 kwaboshwa uPresident Zuma. Wathi mayeboshwa uPresident Zuma ngo-2021 kwenzakalani eSouth Africa sesiyazi. Wathi sephakathi eboshiwe uZuma kwaqhamuka umphathi wamajele uArthur Fraser. Wazotshela iSouth Africa ukuthi sekukhona into evelile abayitholile ngephalaphala. Ephalaphala eplazini laRamaphosa. Awucabangi wena ukuthi lento kune coincidence ekhona la. Ukuthi uArthur Fraser le intelligence engaka yokuthi ayothola ngamadola asemasofeni eplazini kaRamaphosa kwafika kanjani. Mina nje isobala lento angazi ukuthi wena uyibuka kanjani. InoZuma nje written Jacob Zuma all over it mina ngokwami. In short umuntu lana mina engikholelwa ukuthi kumele simnike icredit emfanele ngokuthi avezele izwe ukuthi upresident wecountry South Africa uRamaphosa uhlobo lomuntu ubaba uZuma, that's all. Because ngikholelwa mina ukuthi uZuma ngesikhathi evalelwe ejele ngandlela thile kukhona imeeting abanayo nomphathi wamajele uArthur Fraser kuze kuzo expose indaba ephalaphala. Umbono wami lo nje ngomfoka Mkhonza is not something that is there, but into mina engicabangayo ngendlela engiyibuka ngayo nami. So ingakho ngithi even though manje ngithi asibonge koMalema o-EFF o-ATM oVuyuzungu, but mina ngokwami uyedwa umvuso wenyamazana Nxamalala President Jacob Zuma. Yingakho namanje esungule MK Party ufuna ukulungisa lelizwe elonakele elathathwa iANC yalinika uRamaphosa ukuthi alidestroy ngalendlela alidestroya ngayo. So iANC out, MK Party in. Ivoti lakho ilona elizocounta umuntu wase South Africa. Ngiyabonga ke sixoxe ngalolu daba. Thank you so much.
Some people I know for a fact might know that I know things about them, and therefore they are not going to like me. But I've behaved for decades. I've not played around with intelligence information. I've lived with people who don't know I know about them, because that was not what I was trained for, to use intelligence wrongly or carelessly.